Hello students, today we start class 7 mathematics lesson number 2 fractions. In this lesson number 2 fraction, we see the first point is the multiplication of the fraction, how we multiply the fraction. So let's start this multiplication of the fraction. So we know that the multiplication is a repeated addition. We know that multiplication is a repeated addition. Okay, then if we multiply 4 into 2, that is 4 into 2, then how we write this 4 into 2? So 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 means multiplication is a repeated addition. So 4 into 2 I write 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Okay, so then same way I write 3 into 1 divided by 4. So I write this multiplication like a repeated addition. So 1 divided by 4 plus 1 divided by 4 plus 1 divided by 4. I write this 1 divided by 4 3 times because we multiply this 3 into 1 divided by 4. So I write this 1 divided by 4 plus 1 divided by 4 plus 1 divided by 4. So here is a denominator is the same, 4 is here. So I take 4 as a common, and then I add this numerator 1 plus 1 plus 1. So my answer is 3 divided by 4 means 3 into 1 divided by 4 is equal to 3 divided by 4. Okay. So by using figure, we also solve this multiplication of the fraction. So by using figure, okay, so we have to multiply 3 into 1 divided by 4. Here I draw 3 circles and 1/4 portion of these circles I draw. So here in first circle I make the 4 parts and 1/4 portion I draw here. So I write here 1 divided by 4. Here I also draw the 1/4 portion of the circle. So I write 1 divided by 4, and here also 1 divided by 4. I add this 1 divided by 4 plus 1 divided by 4 plus 1 divided by 4. I get 3 divided by 4. I add these 3 portions. I get 3 divided by 4 portion, shaded portion I get 3 divided by 4 shaded portion. So if we multiply this 3 into 1 divided by 4 portion, so I get 3 divided by 4th portion. So by using figure, we also get this answer. Then next we solve the exercise 2.1. First question is the find the product and convert into the mixed fraction if possible. So in this question we have to find the product of the fraction and convert into the mixed fraction. If mixed fraction is possible, then we have to convert into the mixed fraction. So see the first example of this question. So first is a 5 into 2 divided by 7. So we have to convert into the, first we have to find the product, and then if the possible the mixed fraction, then we have to convert into the mixed fraction. So how to solve this first example? So we have to multiply this 5 into 2. How many? 5 into 2, 10, and divided by 7. So your answer is 10 divided by 7. Here mixed fraction is possible. So I convert this this 10 divided by 7 into mixed fraction. How I convert this? So 7 denominator as it is. So 7 into 1. So I write here 1, and 7 plus 3. So 7 into 1 plus 3. We know that how we make the mixed fraction. 7 into 1, 7 plus 3. So 10. So your answer is 10 divided by 7. So second question is 8 into 3 divided by 12. In this question I multiply this 8 into 3, I get 24, and 12 is 12 as it is. So I divide this 12 by 2 24. So 12 2s are 24. So I get direct 2. So here is not a mixed fraction is possible. So I direct write here 2. Okay. So if the mixed fraction is possible, then you convert the into mixed fraction. If not possible, then you write down as it is. Then third number question. So 4 divided by 3 into 27. Okay, so 27 into 4 how many? So 108. Okay, and 3 as it is. So you have to convert into the mixed fraction if the possible, but first I divide this 108 by these 3. So 3 3s are 9, and then 1 remain, then 1 3 6 are 18. So I get 36. So my answer is 36. So here is not a mixed fraction is possible. So we get 36. Then next is a 4 number question. 11 into 3 divided by 5. Okay. So 11 into 3 how many? 33. Okay. So divided by 5. So 33 divided by 5. So we have to convert this 33 divided by 5 into mixed fraction. How we convert this? So we know that 5 6 are 30, and we add this 3 into them, so we get 33. So 33 divided by 5, I write 6 3 divided by 5. Here I take 4 examples. So students, you take also 4 to 5 example and solve like this. If the mixed fraction is possible, then you convert into mixed fraction. If not possible, then write as it is. So the next question is find the product and express as a mixed fraction if possible. So in this question, first we have to find the product and express as a mixed fraction if possible. So first question is 2 1 by 9 into 8. So we have to solve this question. First we have to find the product of this. So here is a 2 1 by 9 into 8. So we have to convert this mixed fraction into fraction. So I convert this 2 1 by 9 means it is a 2 into 9 18, 18 plus 1 19. So 19 divided by 9. So we have to find the product means 19 divided by 9 into this. Here is a 8, but here is no any denominator, so denominator is 1. So 8 divided by 1. So we multiply this 19 into 8. So 19 into 8 is 152, and 9 into 1 9. So your answer is 152 divided by 9. So we have to convert this into the mixed fraction. How we convert this into mixed fraction? So we know that 16 9 is how many? 144, and 144 plus 8 152. So 16 into 9 get 144, and 144 plus 8 is 152. Okay. Then next question is second number question. 3 2 by 5 into 7. So we have to find the first product and express as a mixed fraction. So 3 2 by 5 means 5 into 3 15, 15 plus 2 17, 17 divided by 5. So we have to find the product means 17 divided by 5 into, here is a 7, here is no any denominators here, so 7 divided by 1. Then 17 into this 7, so 17 into 7 is 119, and 5 into 1 5. So we have to convert this into mixed fraction. So we know that 5 as it is. So 23 5s are 115. 23 5s are 115. So 115 plus 4 is 119. So we convert this 119 divided by 5 into 23's 4 by 5. So this is the mixed fraction of this 119 divided by 5. So we get this mixed fraction. Then Third number question, 6 2 by 5 into 7. So first we convert this mixed fraction into fraction. 6 2 by 5. So 6 into 5, 30. 30 plus 2, 32 divided by 5. So then we have to first find the product of this. So 32 divided by 5 into 7 divided by 1. So 32 into 7 is 224, and 5 into 1, 5. We have to convert this 224 divided by 5 into mixed fraction. So we know that we have to write 5 as it is. So 44 into 5 is 220. 44 into 5, 220, and 220 plus 4 is 224. So your mixed fraction is 44, 4:5. So the last question, 4 number question, 4 1 by 5 into 2 2 by 3. So we have to first find the product and express as a mixed fraction. So first I convert this mixed fraction into fraction. So 4 1 by 5 means 4 into 5, 20, 20 plus 1, 21 divided by 5. And this 2 divided by 3 means 2 into 3, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 divided by 3. So we have to find the product of this. So 21 divided by 5 into 8 divided by 3. So we have to find the product. So 3 7s are 21. So this cancel. Here is a 1 remain. So 7 divided by 5 into 8 divided by 1 we get. Means your answer is 56 divided by 5. So we have to convert into the mixed fraction. 5 as it is, and 11 5s are 55, and 55 plus 1 is 56. So your final mixed fraction is 11 1 divided by 5. So this is your final answer. This is a mixed fraction of your question. So student, you take 4 to 5 questions like this and solve this question. Thank you. Next part we see in the next video.